Okay, just a couple of basic solving one variable equations. These problems are on the circuit sheet that you should have. The circuit you follow along with, you find the answer to or solve the first problem, which would be this one, and then you go find the answer, and that's your second problem. But I just want to review how to solve one-step equations just real quickly with you. Algebra 1 review here. So remember, whatever you do to one side of an equation, you got to do the same thing to the other. So I lower the left half by 4, I got to lower the right half by 4, and I get 3x is 15. I divide this by 3, divide this by 3, x is 5. Plug it back in to check it. 15 plus 4 is 19. You're good. That's basic algebra. This one over here, again, I would go find the answer, the problem that has an answer of x equals 5, and I would call that number 2. But I want to just review over here. Over here, I'd maybe put together the 4 and the 8, combine like terms on the right-hand side, and I have 7x plus 12. And now maybe I would personally bring the 5x this direction. The reason being is then I don't have a negative number, and then I would bring the 12 back this direction so that I can get 6 equals 2x, divide by 2, x is 3. Check your work, substitute back in. Is 15 plus 18 equal to 4 plus 21 plus 8? And I would get 33 there, and I'd get 25 and 8 is 33. It checks out. I'm okay. Next one, again, basic. I would bring the 2x this direction. I would bring the 9 this direction, and I'd get 2x, that's a 9, equals 6 minus 9 is negative 3. And then I would divide by 2, x is negative 1.5. Over here, I would distribute first. We have to deal with the negative 2. Remember, when you distribute, you must multiply into both. Negative 6x plus 12 equals 20x minus, whoa, that's not an equals. Almost made my first mistake of the year. 20x minus 32 equals 92. Next, I would combine these like terms, 14x, and I would combine these like terms, which is 12 minus 32, which must be negative 20, and that is equal to 92. Add 20, and I get 14x equals 112, and I divide by 14, and I divide by 14, and I'm guessing that's 8. I'm just guessing now. I could be wrong. Let's see, 32 and 80 is 112. X equals 8 is the answer. Again, we could plug that back in there and check it and make sure that it all checks out, and we are good. So basic solving one variable equations. And again, you'll do the circuit sheet, which means you do the problem in the upper left-hand corner, find that answer, go around the worksheet to find where x equals 5, label that one number 2, find the answer, and continue on.